Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about paragraphs and how to format paragraphs in the document in Microsoft Word. So you open the document that you want to work on, and then you click home. Home is where you find your paragraph. So we can have this alignment of the paragraph. So the first one is the alignment where the words are aligned to the left, which is currently the default of this document. So we can do it to the center. So when you do it to the center, your paragraphs will be appearing at the center. And then when we do it to the left, your paragraph will be moving to the right, not left, right. And then this is the alignment, the justified. It's called the justify alignment. This is the best because it is balancing your paragraph. And then the other things that you can do in your paragraph is to format the spacing. So you can have it as 1. You can change it as 1.5. You can also remove spaces after paragraph. You can also go here to do the detail. So here is going to give you the alignment. You can change to be right. Body text, you can change the label. And then indentation or indentation, you can also format. Special, you can have it as hanging. And then see what happens. I want to leave the alignment to be justified. So for let's go back to line spacing. For this hanging, it's mostly used in the reference and the APS style way. So for any person who is doing maybe writing an article, a manuscript, a thesis, dissertation, and they are using the APS style. For the reference, it's always this hanging, and it's used the hanging where the first sentence of that reference is the one hanging. Then the other things that we can do in the paragraph is if we want to have maybe bulleting in the points, so you can have the bulleting. We can change, so you can have it as this. Let's see. So if I come, I'll have the others. The other things that you can do in paragraph is you can also have you can change the label here. You can change the label there. Then you can also do other things like instead of having bullets, you can have in terms of numbers, also in the Romans or in A, B, C, D. And then you can also come to here, then you generate this other list. Also this one is to decrease indent and also to increase indent. And then you can format, you can have the color. And then if we had a table, we can still have this having surrounded or having borders. So you can remove your borders. You can have it as none. You can also have, if we had a table, we can have a view grids. So you can also have a sort. You can also have this in paragraph. Thank you so much for watching this video.